Hey guys, it's round 91 on the race on the iTouch for Call of Duty World at War Zombies. I have the ray gun. You see the object kind of stuck right there. And they cannot get me. This is with a hack. I'm leading you right now. As you can see, I have a lot of points too, so. Change it back to the FG42. It's so good. Oh, there they go. Barely died like they ought to. See if there's anyone coming. I think there's anyone coming. You can buy a mystery box on this glitch and everything, but you cannot turn on the power, or it'll be done. Okay. 91. I'm only going to be showing you guys through 92, so. Because I gotta get back to dogs so I don't mess up. See, I have the FG42 and the ray gun for my guns. So yeah, those are good guns. We're 91 here. I'm gonna do something. Sorry guys, I had to do something. Now they're there. Now they're coming to me. I had to move around so they could just come to me. This is such an easy glitch. I'll show it to you guys on another video. I'm just showing you guys how far you can get to using this glitch. You see, it takes so long to kill all the zombies. I'm gonna go on ammo too. But I have the backup for a ray gun, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, I ran out. Doesn't matter, I have a ray gun. Okay, so that's into that horde of zombies. And I can't, if you're wondering why I'm not getting that max ammo, I can't. Because it's not in where I am, so. That's what all the zombies come. 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry, I had to adjust it so the zombies could come. Yeah, so this is a really easy glitch. I'll show it to you guys in another video. Yeah, so now there's a lot of zombies. Reload. This is a really easy glitch, if you're wondering. Just super easy, guys. I'm just saying easy so much because that's how easy it is. As you can see, I have a lot of points too. Should be into that round. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Just wanted to show you.